In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a footer in the Gamma app quickly and easily so you can give your presentation, document, or project a more polished and professional look. Whether you want to add your name, your website, a copyright line, or just a simple closing note, this method is super easy to follow and takes only a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Gamma project where you want to add your footer. This could be a presentation, a page, or any card inside your Gamma workspace. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the section where you want the footer to appear. In most cases, you'll want to go all the way to the bottom of the card or page because that's where footer-style text usually belongs. Now scroll down carefully until you reach the bottom area. When you get there, click inside the empty space at the bottom of the card. This is where you can start typing your footer text. You can keep it simple or make it more detailed depending on what you need. For example, you might type your name, your brand name, your website, your email address, or a copyright statement like "all rights reserved." After typing your footer text, the next step is to make it look like a proper footer. Use the formatting toolbar to reduce the text size so it appears smaller and more subtle than the main content. You can also adjust the style if needed, depending on how you want the footer to fit with the rest of your design. The goal here is to make it look neat, clean, and consistent with the rest of the page. If you want your footer to appear on multiple cards, simply repeat the same process on each one. That way, every section of your Gamma project can have the same footer information. This is especially useful if you're creating a branded presentation or a client-facing document where consistency really matters. You can also customize the footer text based on your purpose. If it's for personal use, you might include your name or a date. If it's for a business presentation, you might add your company website or copyright notice. And if you're sharing educational content, a footer can be a great place to add your source, your brand handle, or a short reference line. The best part is that Gamma makes this process really simple, so you don't need any advanced design skills to do it. You're just adding text directly into the bottom area of your project and formatting it to look like a footer. That's all there is to it. So now you know how to add a footer in Gamma app in just a few easy steps. Open your project, scroll to the bottom, click in the footer area, type your text, make it smaller, and repeat it on other cards if needed. It's a simple way to make your Gamma project look more complete and professional. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.